Greetings to all. Today we are reviewing Hoya Nanax Multicert Intraocular Lens for the very first time. Hope this will be helpful. So all set, our eye is ready. Let's directly see what Hoya has bring for us. The preloaded injector system of Hoya was already best in the world undoubtedly. But in Nanax, they have come with big macro improvements. In this injector system, for the very first time, they are introducing a system with both push and screw, and now the surgeon has the freedom to choose the nozzle size. You have seen the actual beauty, and the loading of the lens is as previous. Put BSS and Visco through this infusion port. Then remove this cover from the injector. Now we'll push the slider and now we will remove the injector from the case. And now I will show you the intelligent innovation. This slider or this shield gives us the freedom whether we want to inject the IOL directly into the back or we want to do a wound assisted lens delivery. And now I will show you the next beautiful, very intelligent innovation. As we can see, we have plunger and screw both. So now we have the freedom to choose. We can screw, we can push, or we can do both. We can screw a bit and push a bit. So this is the first time I have ever seen this plunger and screw system in one lens. Now let's get back to our real eye, and as always Hoya's delivery system is marvelous. IOL went inside like anything. There was no clutches, no glitches. It directly goes inside. It was very easy implantation. Now we'll see it from one different angle also, and we can see for the very first time I am using this injector system, and when I push, the screw also moves, it also rotates, and very easily I could do the implantation. Let's see one more case. This was a very big eye. Even in this case, I could go directly inside the bag. The freedom to choose the injector tip, the lens directly goes inside the bag, and it was flawless. One more very important and very smart thing with this IOL is that the injector tip outer diameter is only 1.62 millimeter, which is probably smallest in the world, and through that also I did not feel like any resistance. The lens went inside very well. The lens clarity is absolutely terrific. They have a proprietary ozonize technology. Through that PCO rate is very low, and we all are using these lenses, these Hoya technology for a very long time. So for a surgeon it's an absolute delight, and I hope for the patient also. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for patient listening. It's a Very well recommended lens. Thank you so much.